As respected members of the Board of Regents, our commencement speaker, Dr. Judy Sanandres, President of Bulacan State University, distinguished guests, administrators, deans, faculty members, staff, proud parents and families, dear graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed, joyful, bright, and momentous day to everyone. Today is not just an ordinary day of celebration. It is a historic occasion. A milestone not only for our graduates, but for the entire State University of Northern Lagos. This day marks the culmination of years of dedication, sleepless nights, sacrifices, and unwavering perseverance. And this year, we take pride in celebrating the commencement exercises with a profound and meaningful distinction. For today, you stand as the first batch of graduates to wear the Pilay in the history of our university. The Pilay represents our collective identity as graduates and our work commitment, excellence, humility, and service. The woman patterns reflects the unity and interconnectedness of knowledge, culture, and service that we aspire to nurture in every graduate of this institution. As you wear this Pilay, you are not only honoring your personal journey, but also carrying the hopes of your families, the sacrifices of your mentors, and the mission of this institution. To all graduates who will serve as members of nation building. The theme of this year's commencement, Graduates in Pilay, embracing responsibilities as nation builders, challenges each of you to go beyond your personal ambitions. You are now called to become builders of a better society, to become leaders who will uphold truth, justice, and compassion. Professionals who will live lives, and citizens who will serve with integrity and decence. In these times of great change and uncertainty, may you always draw strength from the words that found in Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. This promise assures us that no matter where life leads you after this day, God's divine plan is already at work in your lives. Plans that will prosper you and enable you to become instruments of His goodness in this nation and beyond. To the parents, guardians, and families who stood as a yielding support system for our graduates, your sacrifices, your encouragement, and your unconditional love are truly invaluable. His success is as much yours as it is your children's. For today, we celebrate you as well. To the faculty members, mentors, administrators, who both patiently molded, guided, and inspired these young minds, your dedication has planted seeds that will bear fruits for generations to come. Your legacy continues in the lives of our graduates. And to our dear graduates, remember that the learning does not stop here.
5 na pa. Delete. So, signalize ko.
Dr. Renata Stras, University President. Sir, it is my honor to present to you the first batch of Escalante Rules Campus